Hello guys, in this video we will discuss APSC previous papers general knowledge questions part 1. The first question is the king nicknamed as Bhagaraja was A. Sutampha, B. Surampha, C. Sunatpha, D. Sutiampha. Correct option is B. Surampha. Now question number 2. Baguramba is a folk dance performed by A. Garos, B. Boros, C. Ravas, D. Missings. Correct option is B. Boros. Question number 3. Ibn Battuta, the celebrated traveler, visited Assam in the A. 10th century, B. 15th century, C. 14th century, D. 13th century. The correct option is C. 14th century. Next question. The British made aerodrome at Barnagar, Sorbhog was set ablaze under the leadership of Rajanath Sharma in A. August 1942, B. August 1842, C. September 1942, D. August 1941. The correct option is A. August 1942. Question number 5. Which district was separated from Assam and given to Pakistan in 1947? A. Khulna, B. Sylhet, C. Chittagong, D. Solasor. Correct option is B. Sylhet. Question number 6. Jojila Pass is in A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Himachal Pradesh, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Jammu and Kashmir. The correct option is D. Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 7. Which one of the following combination is mainly concentrated in single state of Northeast India? A. Khasi Mizo, B. Naga Mizo, C. Khasi Garo, D. Khasi Naga. Option number C is correct, which is Khasi Garo. Question number 8. The first telegraph line was laid in India between A. Delhi and Mumbai, B. Calcutta and Agra, C. Calcutta and Bombay, D. Calcutta and Delhi. Correct option is B. Calcutta and Agra. Question number 9. Where was India's first computer installed? A. Indian Statistical Institute, Calcutta, B. Indian Institute of Science, Calcutta, C. Indian Iron and Steel Company Limited, Burnpur, D. Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi. Correct option is A. Indian Statistical Institute, Calcutta. Question number 10. The Tartar tribe inhabitants in which part of the world? A. Kenya, B. Europe, C. Siberia, D. None of the above. Correct option is C. Siberia. Question number 11. Ikebana is a Japanese art of A. Papercraft, B. Dress designing, C. Miniature tree farming, D. Flower arrangement. Options D is correct, which is flower arrangement. Question number 12. Name the three capitals of Ahom kingdom at different eras. A. Choraidev, Gorgao, Jorhat, B. Moran, Phogdoi, Charing, C. Tipam, Namrup, Gargaon, D. None of the above. Correct option is A. Choraidev, Gorgao, Jorhat. Who built the Charminar of Hyderabad and on what occasion? A. Nawab Safdar Jung built it to celebrate relief from a major famine 1739. B. Nawab of Hyderabad built it to celebrate freedom from British rule 1947. C. Muhammad Kali Qutub Shah constructed it to commemorate the eradication of plague 1591. D. None of the above. The correct option is C. Muhammad Kali Qutub Shah constructed it to commemorate the eradication of plague 1591. 14. Question number 14. Who was the Ahom king in Assam during the mutiny in 1857? A. Lakshminath Singha, B. Gaurinath Singha, C. Kandar Peshar Singha, D. None of the above. The correct option is D. None of the above. 15. The governor of a state is an integral part of the A. Parliament, B. State legislature, C. State cabinet, D. State Public Service Commission. Option B is correct. B. State legislature. Question number 16. Which of the following is not a fundamental right in India? A. Right to property, B. Right to freedom, C. Right to equality, D. Right to constitutional remedies. Correct option is A. Right to property. Question number 17. When was the first national emergency declared in India? A. 1975, B. 1971, C. 1965, D. 1962. The correct option is D. 1962. Question number 18. Who presides over the joint session of both the houses of the parliament in India? A. P.P. Singh, B. the Speaker of the Lok Sabha, C. the President of India, D. the Prime Minister of India. Correct option is B. the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Question number 19. In India, National Science Day is observed on A. 5th June, B. 5th September, C. 28th February, D. 2nd October. The correct option is C. 28th February. Question number 20. India changed over to the decimal system of coinage in the year A. 1952, B. 1957, C. 1948, D. 1959. Correct option is B. 1957. Thank you for watching.